Hey designers, let's download a script in After Effects that lets you round all or individual corners of any picture or video in just one click. It's completely free. I'll provide the link in the description. Just head over to the website and you'll find it available there. The creator has kindly made it free, but you'll also notice a fair price option if you'd like to support them for their hard work. You can pay something there, though it's not required. Once you download it, you'll also get an email copy. Sometimes this email doesn't show up in your main inbox, so if that happens, simply go to the More options in Gmail and check the spam folder. It often lands there. Open the email, click on View Content, and you'll be able to download the script directly from there as well. Here our file has been downloaded, so now I'll make a new folder, name it Plugin, and move the Roundly file into it. After that, open the folder and extract the file. Once it's extracted, open the Script UI Panels folder, and you'll see the Roundly file there. Right-click and copy it, then go to Local Disk C. Open Program Files, then Adobe, and inside that open Adobe After Effects. There you'll find a folder called Support Files. Open it, and inside you'll see another folder named Scripts. Open it, and then inside that you'll find another folder called Script UI Panels. Now paste the file you copied earlier into this folder. If your After Effects is already open, make sure to close it first and then reopen it. Once it's open again, go to the Window option on the top menu, and at the bottom you'll now see roundly.jxt. First, let's import any image and drag it onto the composition. Now go to the Window menu and open roundly.jxt. You'll see two options here: individual corners and all corners. Let's start with the individual corners. For example, I want only the top left corner to be rounded. So I'll select that, type in a value, let's say 50, and then click Apply. As you can see, the top left corner is now rounded. Next, I'll uncheck the Add Stroke option and try a bigger value, like 100, and apply it again. You can see it works perfectly and smoothly. You can do the same for any of the other corners as well. Now, if you want to round all the corners at once, just go back to the Window menu, open roundly.jxt again, and this time select the All Corners option. Enter a value, for example 200, and hit Apply. And just like that, boom, it's done. It even creates a new layer and applies the linking effect automatically. You can also rescale the shape however you like. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, make sure to give it a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more content like this.